Good morning everyone, dear children. Today I am explaining ratio and proportion related some problems. Listen the question carefully. If x is equal to square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b upon square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b. Here x value is this fraction is it. Prove that 3b x square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. From this one we are proving that one, children. But here this type of problem came means you should go through componendo dividendo property by using, you should prove that one, children. Now coming to the solution part, I will write down given data. Given x is equal square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b upon square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b, children. Now I am applying component dividendo, but for you confusion will come, children. Sir, left hand side x1 is there, denominator what is there? Denominator nothing is there, 1 is there, don't forget. In any, this term is equal to any single number, 5 came, 3 came, denominator nothing is there, 1 is there, you should write down like this. Now this is in the form of, a by b is equal to c by d. Which is a term? A term is x, b term is 1. C term is, this complete term is c term. This complete term is d term. Now I am applying component dividendo means, you know, children, how it will come? A by b is equal to c by d. That is a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d will come, children. This one we know, children. This is applying componendo dividendo. Componendo dividendo. Understanding, children? Now we are applying for this one, applying component dividendo. How it is a component dividendo? A by b is equal to c by d is there. We will write in this form, a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Here I told already a term is x, b term is 1, c term is this 2, d term is this 2, children. Now I will continue. See, this is already is there in the form. Now I will write this form. A term is x sin plus b term is 1 upon a minus b means x minus 1 is equal, this term over left hand side, right hand side, c plus d. C term is square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b. C and d between what is there? Plus is there. Plus into any term sign, same sign will come. Square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b upon c minus d. This is c term. I will write as it is, square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b. Then in the property minus will come middle. What can I do? Minus into any term sign became change. Minus into plus, minus will come. So this is the d term. D term binomial is there. This term multiplied by minus into this term minus. This term a plus 3b will come. Then minus into minus, plus will come. D, that is square root of a minus 3b, children. Now very important simplification is the, children. Left hand side x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, no changes as it is. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 as it is equal to. Right hand side small simplification is there. Which cancel term? You look here, children, carefully. Square root of a plus 3b related square root of a plus 3b. These two they have positive sign, plus and plus. That became plus 1 and plus 1 became plus 2 square root of a plus 3b, children. You know, square root of a plus square root of a is equal to 2 into square root of a. Coefficient 1, it became 2. Here 2 is there. 2 plus 1 became here. 3 will come. Understanding? 2 into square root of a plus square root of a became 3 square root of a. Similarly, here also I am doing addition of third term. Plus 1 became plus 2 square root of a plus 3. Now this two term became cancelled. Why? Because square root of a minus 3b, square root of a minus 3b, this one having minus sign, this one having plus sign. Plus 1 minus 1 sign became 0. 0 into any term 0. All divided by upon square root of a plus 3b. Similar, square root of a plus 3b. This one having minus 1, this one having plus 1, cancel children. Next, these two terms are same. A minus 3b square root of plus 1 became 2 square root of a minus 3b came. What is next step? Look here children, one more step. These two cancel. Remaining terms x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to square root of a plus 3b upon square root of a minus 3b. How to remove the square root? How to remove the square root means we are applying squaring on both sides children. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means left hand side also x plus 1 whole square divided by x minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of a plus 3b whole square upon square root of a minus 3b whole square. What happens children, you know, this square root cancel, this square root cancel. This one we are expanding. How we are expanding? It is in the form of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Shall I continue there children? Now this one children, x plus 1 whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. I will expand, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab will come. A value x, b value 1. A value x, x square plus b value 1, 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 upon denominator x minus 1 whole square means it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1 is equal to, right hand side remaining, square root cancel, a plus 3b divided by a minus 3b. A plus 3b upon a minus 3b. We want this one, prove that 3b x square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. What to do this one children? X square plus 1 square plus 2x upon x square plus 1 square minus 2x is equal to a plus 3b upon a minus 3b. Shall we apply again component dividend? Yes, is possible. Again applying componendo and dividendo. See children, I will continue here only. Now this numerator term is a, this is b, is equal to c by d. A by b is equal to c by d. How will write component dividendo? A plus b. A term is x square plus 1 plus 2x plus b, b term plus x square plus 1 minus 2x upon, look here, this is a term, this is b term. Understanding? Otherwise I will write in different color. B term is x square plus 1 minus 2x. Understand children? Denominator also a minus b will come. You know property, a term is x square plus 1 plus 2x. Here minus will come. In the identity a minus b, b term multiply by minus sign. What happen? Minus into x square minus x square, minus into plus minus 1, minus into minus plus 2x is equal. Now this is c by d term. What is that property will come? C plus d. C plus d. C term is a plus 3b plus d term is a minus 3b upon, again c minus d will come. C term is a plus 3b minus d term is minus of, minus into a, minus into minus plus 3b children. Okay, a plus 3b. Now some term cancellation is there children. Understanding? See now this one a by b is equal to c by d, applied component dividendo a plus b divided by upon a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. Minus multiply by these two terms, we got sign changes happen from this one and this one. Here also b term multiply by minus n, the small sign changes happen. Now simplification, plus 2x minus 2x cancel, easy. Then next x square plus 1 became x square plus x square, 2x square plus 1 became plus 2 upon, here minus x square plus x square cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, remaining 2x plus 2x became 4x is equal. Here right hand side also plus 3b minus 3b cancel, a plus a became 2a upon, minus a plus a cancel, 3b plus 3b 6b. Don't write 9b. Now what is next step children? Simplification. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Here don't cancel like this. You can take common factor. 2 and 2 common factor. 2 is common factor. Remaining x square plus 1 upon 4x is equal to remaining a by 3b only, children. This one don't want. From this one I continued there only. Okay. Next. What is next step? Now simplification. 2 1s are 2 2s are, children. Look here. In this term 2x square plus 2, 2 common factor came. X square plus 1 came remaining. Denominator 4x. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Remaining x square plus 1 upon 2x is equal to a upon 3b. Now I will do cross multiplication, children. We will get this term. See, 3b into x square plus 1. These two product I will write x square plus 1 into 3b. Left hand side numerator into right side denominator is equal to right side numerator into left side denominator 2x. Removing the bracket, what happened? 3b into x square, 3b x square plus 3b. 1 into 3b plus 3b is equal to a into 2x, 2ax. See, look here. This term I will take this side. What is there proving that? See, look here. 3b x square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. Already 3b x square is there plus 3b is there. This one comes to this side minus 2ax. Understand, children? Finally, I will write the conclusion. 3b x square. This term comes to here minus 2ax. This term I will write last plus 3b is equal to 0. Hence proved, children. Very easy, is it? Given this one, we written x by 1. We used applied component dividend. We got one term. That one again expanded after square root, after squaring. This one again I applied component dividend. After simplification, you got this one, children. See what I did, understanding? The given term I did 2 times component dividend applied. We got final ends proved, children. Easy, is there? Should practice. Watch the video twice, thrice. Now let's one more problem, children. If x cube plus 3x y square upon 3x square y plus y cube is equal m cube plus 3m n square upon 3m square n plus n cube. Show that nx is equal to my. For this one, after simplification, we are showing nx is equal to my. How to do? Observe left hand side, what is it? X, xy, x, xy, y terms related. Xy related terms are the left, numerator and denominator. Right hand side, numerator and denominator, m and n related terms are there. Terms interchange, no problem. Everything clear, is it? Now I will write down the given data in the solution part. Dear children, what is there? X cube plus 3x y square upon 3x square y plus y cube is equal m cube plus 3mn square upon 3m square n plus n cube. See, what can I do? See, numerator, if I take x is common factor, denominator x will not come to cancel. Numerator and denominator. Numerator x will come, denominator y will come. Numerator m will come, denominator n will come. No use. X by y is equal to m by n common factor, no use. Don't take common factor. See, again we are applying here component dividend. What will happen? You see carefully, children. Now I am applying component and dividend. Component dividend, what is it? You know, a by b is equal to c by d. Form proportional will write down in the form of a plus b by upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d, children. Applying component dividend means this type of proportional will write in this form, children. Similarly, here a term is this complete term a, this is complete term b, this is c, this is d. Shall I continue? Very easy, is that, children? Look here. Now, a by b is equal to c by d. This type of form already given data is there. We are writing in this form. Given data we are writing in this form. A plus b divided by a minus b. A term is x cube plus 3x y square. A term over plus b term is this one. 3x square y plus y cube. Understand, children? A term plus b term upon again a minus b. A term is x cube plus 3x y square, a term. Property minus is there. Minus multiply with b term, 2 term is there. This one plus minus into plus minus 3x square y minus into plus minus y cube is equal. Understand children what happened? Now right side what is that? C plus d divided by c minus d. This is c term, this is d term. C plus d. C term m cube plus 3mn square. C term over plus d term is 3m square n plus n cube upon again c term, c minus d means c term m cube plus 3mn square. In the property minus is there. Minus multiply with the d term, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus 3m square n. Again minus into plus minus n cube. Now what is next children? After applying component data up to now we did cancellation, but here no one cancellation. Look here, no one like terms. X cube is there, x cube term are there. 3xy square is there, 3xy square term are there. Y cube is there, y cube term are there. But don't cancel. Not possible to cancel numerator and denominator single terms. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms numerator is there, denominator 4 terms. Not possible to touch any term, cancellation. What can I do children? Very easy. Observe this numerator, it is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This is in the form of, I will write that identity, a plus b whole cube. You know identity children. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This one, removing the bracket, what happened? A cube plus b cube plus into plus plus 3ab into ab, 3a square b plus into plus plus 3ab into b, 3ab square. Look here, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This expansion came from a plus b whole cube. Look here, instead of a, I will write x is there children. Look here, instead of a, x cube plus instead of b what is there? Y cube plus instead of a value x square, b value y plus c in 3 into a value x, b value y square. Look here is equal to what will come? X plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Same term. Look here, x cube is there, y cube is there, 3x square y is there plus 3xy square is there. Numerator complete, instead of I will write x plus y whole cube. Understand? Okay. Now denominator observe here. This one I will change small changes. Look here, here also. See, look here. Here minus will come. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Remove the bracket. A cube minus b cube minus into plus minus 3a square b minus into minus plus 3ab square. Here also instead of a x, instead of b y I will change children. What happened? Instead of a x cube, sign minus will come. Instead of b y I wrote minus here plus. Instead of here also x minus y will come. Look here, x cube is there, minus y cube is there, minus 3x square y is there, plus 3xy square is there. Instead of this one we will write x minus y whole cube. Numerator we will write x plus y whole cube. Denominator will write x minus y whole cube. This two identity you keep in your mind children. Understand? Now I will apply directly here that property identity x plus y whole cube divided by x minus y whole cube is equal. Right side also m cube plus n cube plus 3m square n plus 3mn square. Instead of we'll write m plus n whole cube upon here also m cube minus n cube minus 3mn square plus 3mn square means m minus n whole cube. Understanding? You go back. If you want this expansion, we will get this one only. This one expansion will get this one only. This expansion will get this one only. This expansion will get this one only. Understand children? Now left hand side and right hand side, by using the identity we written in this form. Now what can you do? Very easy. Cube. How cancel? How can I cancel left hand side, right hand side? Cube root on both sides. Cube root on both side, children. Okay, what happened? Cube root means x plus y whole cube. Cube root. Understand? Numerator cube root. Denominator cube root of x minus y whole cube is equal to, right side also, cube root of m plus n whole cube upon cube root of m minus n whole cube. Which cancel here? Cube and cube root cancel, cube root cancel, cube root cancel, cube root cancel. Remaining x plus y divided by x minus y is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n. On both side, cube root on both side after happen, what happen? Cube and cube root, left hand side and right hand side cancel, clear. Remaining x plus y upon x minus y is equal to m plus n upon m minus n. I wrote there, children. Okay. Now what can I do this one? See, we want only nx is equal to my. Don't go to cross multiplication. The given data we written, first we did what we did, applying componendo dividendo. After this term we written in the cube form. Then after cube root we got this term only. Now again I am applying componendo dividendo. What? Numerator term we consider A, B, C, D. A by B is equal to C by D. We will write by using applying the component dividendo x plus y plus x minus y. A plus B upon A value, B value upon x plus y. In the property minus will come, minus into plus minus x, minus into minus plus y is equal. Here C by D is there. What will come? A property C plus D means m plus n plus m minus n, children. This is C term plus D term upon again C term m plus n. Property minus will come. This minus multiply denominator terms, minus into plus minus m, minus into minus plus n, children. Which term will cancel? Observe carefully, children. Look here, a by b is equal to c by d. Applying component dividendo, a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. Now minus y plus y cancel, denominator minus x plus x cancel. Here also minus n plus n cancel, minus m plus m cancel. Understand? Opposite sign, same term cancel. Remaining x plus x became 2x upon y plus y became 2y is equal to m plus m became 2m upon n plus n became 2n, children. 2n. What next? Over. Denominator, numerator 2 cancel. Here also 2 cancel. Remaining x by y is equal to m by n. Do cross multiplication. Over. Now x into n, xn is equal to m into y, my. Hence proved. X or nx is equal to my. Nx is equal to my. Hence proved. That's all, children. Given data, first once we applied component dividendo, we got in the form of a plus b whole cube form terms. We wrote in this form. Then cube root on both sides. We got this term. Again we applied component dividendo. After simplification we got hence proved. That's all, children. Easy.